Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get free access to Cisco courses. There are 3 or 4 free Cisco courses which you can learn for free, and it's for everyone. It's not for only the particular students which are studying in a university or any kind of academy, and they are getting enrollment links by their instructors. It's for everyone can access them through self-enrollment. So in this video I'll be telling you each and every step you can do, and easily you can enroll yourself in any kind of free Cisco course. So for that you have to open your browser, and then you need to visit a website which is netacad.com. Now those of you guys who don't know how to access the LMS and use the LMS of the Cisco, I have made a video. You can also see it on the top of the video, and I will put a link in the description. Now once you are in the website, you can select courses from this courses drop down, and you can select whatever you want to learn. Now you need to come down on this page and you will see some free courses. Like I'm telling you, there is a course which is Get Connected, and there is a NDG Linux Unhatched. These are free courses. You can select them, and you can access them for free.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever.
Now to access them, you just need to click the learn more button, and you will see all the information on the next page. The length of the course, the cost which is free, and the level of the course and learning type, all of that stuff. And now the thing comes that how you can enroll in these courses for free, which is by doing clicking the sign up button and selecting your language from that in which you want to learn the course. Now select your particular language from here and click it, and you will be redirected to a new page which is for self-enrollment. And here you will see all the information regarding the course details, and at the side a form which is here to enroll you in this course. Now I'm filling the details on the form to enroll in this.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The city.
After filling the form, you just need to click the submit button, and you will be redirected to a new page which is saying that you need to confirm your email address. Now you have to confirm your email by going to your email box and just select that email which is sent to you by the Cisco.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Now here you will see the email which is sent to you by the Cisco Academy, and just you need to click on the activate account.
I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Here you will see a form which is already filled by the email, and you just here need to give your country, your password, and select whether you want to receive emails or not for future updates, and click the register button. After that, you will receive a thank you message, and you will be redirected to the Cisco LMS, or you can say course dashboard, and here you will be set to put the email and password which you recently registered with, and after putting that email and password, you will be redirected to the LMS page of the Cisco. And guys, here you will be set to insert your profile info, but it is not that much mandatory. You can also skip this step. So after skipping it, you come here to your courses panel, and from here you can start learning. Now those of you guys who don't know how to use this dashboard or Cisco LMS, you can check out my video in the description. I have made that, so it will be easy for you to how to get through things in this LMS. So guys, I hope you like this video, and share with this your friends and family, so they can also get benefit from it. Surely you learn new things from it. So guys, this is Sharia signing out. Allah Hafiz.